Here is a harder application of simultaneous equations. The first equation is 3a plus 2b is equal to 50. The second equation is 2a subtract 3b is equal to 42. To use the substitution method, we need to either make a or b as the subject of the equation. The first thing we're going to do is rearrange equation 1 to get a as the subject of the equation. We'll be left with 3a is equal to 50 subtract 2b. And to get a by itself, we need to divide all terms by 3. Let's call this equation 3. Because equation 3 was rearranged from equation 1, the only place to put equation 3 is into equation 2. Wherever we see the a, we're going to rewrite it as 50 subtract 2b divided by 3. This equation looks quite complex because of the denominator. To get rid of the denominator, we need to multiply each term by 3. So we'll be left with 2 multiplied 50 subtract 2b subtract 9b equals to 126. Expand the brackets. Gather your like terms. And simplify. Therefore, b will be negative 2. Let's call this equation 4. Have a think about where we need to substitute equation 4 to get the value of a. The best place to substitute equation 4 is equation 3. We'll be left with a is equal to 50 subtract 2 lots of negative 2 divided by 3. A equals to 50 plus 4 divided by 3. Therefore, a is equal to 18.